Have you always wanted to live on the golf course? Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with Remax the Group and the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and we are at 18 Jonquil. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 1-car garage on a huge lot, and you will absolutely love the floor plan. Let's go inside. Talk to you about a few of the upgrades this home has. It has a newer roof, a brand new gas furnace, and new windows. You will also love the layout of this home. You don't want to miss this one. This home can be purchased for as little as $1,500 down. We would love to show it to you. Text, message, or call us today. We want you to love where you live. Make it a great home buying and selling day.